Imagine ordering a taxi that arrives without a driver. That future is already being tested. You're watching Next Move Strategy Consulting, where we uncover the stories behind the world's fastest growing markets and technologies. Today, we are stepping into the future of transportation, where cars drive themselves and robotaxis are changing how we move through cities. The ground zero for this shift is Asia. Baidu's Apollo Go has aggressively expanded into 10 new cities across Southeast Asia, effectively weaponizing scale against localized competitors. To counter this, a web of strategic enterprise partnerships is forming. WeRide and Grab officially launched Singapore's first autonomous ride-hailing fleet. Simultaneously, Uber partnered with Baidu to deploy Apollo Go vehicles in Dubai, backed directly by Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority. But the primary bottleneck has always been compute. That is finally breaking. MIT has advanced compact photonic Lidar sensors, processing light on microscopic chips. In tandem, the University of Michigan released massive near-miss driving datasets, expediting AV algorithm training by feeding edge cases directly into neural networks. This hardware maturation triggered a massive event at CES 2026. Lucid, Neuro, and Uber unveiled a unified global robotaxi, announcing immediate on-road testing. The strategic implication is absolute standardization. NVIDIA's DRIVE Hyperion instantly became the global platform for a robotaxi-ready world, creating a monopolistic hardware baseline. But there is a brutal wall between isolated pilots and global commercialization. WeRide and Geely's Farizon achieved a peak milestone by delivering 2,000 purpose-built robotaxis, yet the physical limitations of real-time processing remain severe. If a vehicle loses cloud connection, it dies. The failure risks are unforgiving. Without localized compute, latency causes catastrophic degradation in complex weather. To solve this, Asus embedded Edge AI directly into Navia autonomous shuttles, ensuring offline survivability. Still, supply chains remain critically vulnerable to these specialized silicon demands. State capital is subsidizing these vulnerabilities. Drive Ohio is deploying Einride autonomous trucks to secure domestic supply chains. Under the hood, May Mobility's architecture simulates thousands of micro-futures per millisecond. Paired with MIT's solid-state photonic silicon, these systems replace bulky lasers with real-time predictive physics. This efficiency unlocks massive scale. Tesla's Cybercab production is officially underway, as Mobileye shifts to a fully integrated hardware stack. This scale is creating highly unorthodox adoption patterns. In China, Pony AI bypassed traditional app stores, bringing robotaxi booking directly into Tencent's WeChat mobility platform. Meanwhile, May Mobility is powering Caocau's aggressive robotaxi push across Europe, seamlessly embedding driverless code into existing human-driven networks. The smoking gun is Las Vegas. Uber and Motional-proved digital drivers sustain 24/7 utilization with zero fatigue. This safety math forces global mandates from Dubai to Southeast Asia, turning engineering into geopolitical chess. A car is a horizontal elevator. The network does the rest. This brings us to the ultimate quantifiable truth. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting, the global robotaxi market is predicted to reach $104.03 billion by 2030. That represents an explosive compound annual growth rate of 74.5%. This data is the absolute turning point. The theoretical phase is dead, replaced by hyper-growth reality. The competitive trajectory is fixed. Uber is the apex fleet aggregator, while Tesla and Mobileye pursue vertical integration. Owning neural nets means dominating transit. Beyond silicon, this re-architects life. Infinite, silent transport turns parking lots into green spaces and syncs power grids. We are teaching code to navigate reality. Subscribe to Next Move Strategy Consulting to stay ahead.